Hi everyone, this is just gonna be a cute little tiny video where I talk about I went to the cosmetics company store for like the second time in my life, and the closest one to my house is super far away and I just happened to be out of town, so I just happened to be really nearby. So I decided I would go in, and I didn't realize that the entire store is like half off, so I saw a lot of Too Faced stuff where the price sticker was full price and I passed right over it. I didn't realize that if I had gone to the register and like asked somebody, it would have been actually half off, but I guess in retrospect it's a good thing. I ended up only buying a couple things, but I really wanted to show them off. I'm really glad I was able to find some out of stock MAC stuff, and then I got these two chocolate shadows, so I thought I would do a mini haul and just kind of show off what I got. All told, I paid very little for all of this. I think I paid maybe like $30 for all of these items, which is a super good deal. So first off, I got two shades of the MAC lipsticks. These are the Love Me lipsticks from the Cherry Blossom collection. I believe it's the Cherry Blossom collection from last year, or maybe even the year before. Now, MAC lipsticks pretty much never go bad, so that's why I didn't have problems buying them. First shade is called Cherry Cherry, and then the next shade is called Potent Petal. So I think it's from this year or last year, but here's what they look like. So this is gonna be Potent Petal, and I'll swatch these for you guys. And then this is Cherry Cherry. So pretty, and I really wanted to try the Love Me lipstick formula, so I'm gonna swatch them on my wrist, and they seem super creamy. Here are the shades here. So this is gonna be Cherry Cherry and this is Potent Petal. As you can see, they're super pretty. They're not like full opacity thick cream. They feel more thin, which I think is going to be super up my alley. And then this is definitely much older. I believe this is 2 years old, maybe 2 or 3 years old. And this is from one of their New Year collections, the one that was fish themed. So this is going to be the Powder Kiss lipstick in Healthy, Wealthy, and Thriving. And I really want to get into collecting the packaging of MAC lipsticks. I want to have like one of each of limited edition collections. Maybe someday in the future, that'd be my dream. So that's what it looks like. It looks like a pretty generic red, and I'm gonna swatch it. Now, I don't know how much I'm gonna like the formula, because I do like the Powder Kiss liquid formula, but the Powder Kiss lipstick seems like it might be a little bit drying. But here's that shade here. As you can see, it is much more matte than these two, and it also has that kind of sheer powdery finish. Feels very Asian inspired for sure. And then the next two things I got are going to be these Too Faced chocolate shadows. I've been actually wanting these for a while, thinking of using these as like bases, but of course I never got around to it because it was really expensive. But at the cosmetics store, they were so cheap, and I was like, all right, here we go. So I only picked up 2 shades. I kind of wish I'd gotten more now that I think about it, but I was thinking to myself I should probably be somewhat frugal because this was not really like a planned purchase or anything. But I guess in retrospect, if the deal is so good, you should just, go ahead and get it. So the 2 shades I got are Chocolate Bunny and Tiramisumi, which I think is so funny. So I'll swatch Tiramisumi first, and I'll put these on the back of my hand. No, I'll just put these on my wrist. They definitely are very liquidy. They do not seem like I thought maybe they'd be a little bit more whipped and mousse-like, but they are very liquidy, and they are very matte. I'll be excited to try these out. They seem like really good base shadows. Oh, all right. So here we go. So Tiramisumi is closest to the lipsticks, and then Chocolate Bunny is furthest away. And you can see they're very matte, very pretty. And that's it. It's just a teeny tiny little video of the 5 things I got from the cosmetics company store. I definitely kind of feel like it's a little dangerous that I discovered it, because I feel like it's a really easy place to go and buy way too many things, but given the price for each item was like so low, I honestly can't really necessarily say it's a bad thing either. So yeah, maybe someday I'll be able to go back and look. Now that I know that they have a lot of like the limited edition MAC stuff there, I'm definitely gonna try and make it a point to make a trip out there every maybe twice a year or so I can see what kind of MAC stuff they have, because I love the limited edition MAC lipsticks and I really want to start collecting them. So anyways, that's it. Here is my arm pushing my skin. So here's my arm, so you can see, yeah, there you go. You can see all the swatches here. Really pretty, excited to try these on in videos, or off camera, whatever. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.